Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a thumbnail 100% for free. So you don't need to use Photoshop, something like that, but this is going to be 100% for free. So first you go to Photopea. I'll be linking this in the description. Once you are here, you click new project. You could pick any of these covers like FB page cover, FB shared image, or like YouTube cover. So, and if you want a custom one, you could just change these numbers over here to anything. So for example, I'll be doing this one, FB event image. So over here it says background. If you want it transparent, white, or background, anything, you could choose one, but today I'll be clicking transparent for an example. Then you create. When you're over here, that means you're ready to start. First, I'm gonna go to give this a good background, so I'm gonna go search up something. For the example, I'll be making a lightning background. So let's see, which one should we pick? This looks good. Copy image. And then we could we click Control V. And then when that has happened, we just click it. Right. Then we could scale this. Scaling means if you want something bigger like this or smaller. But so we will just put it like this. And that's good. So next, if you want something, let's just put car. So let's see, which one should we pick? So let's say we want this one. So we're just gonna copy and paste, copy this. And as you can see, there's a background to this. So if you don't want the background, you could just X out and go to background remover. I would recommend you to go to remove.bg because I use it a lot of times. So when you're over here, you have to wait for it to upload and like remove the background. So when you're over here, you could download the image, but if you don't want to download it, you just left click on it and then click copy image. And then you go back to Photopea and then you click Control V. And now once you've got it, you're ready for your next step. Let's say if you want to turn it around, you could just get this and just do this. So let's say I want it right here. And let's say we want something else. Let's say a person. Let's clip art. If you want it something like cartoony, search up clip art. Once you've clicked it, now let's see which one do we want. Let's say this one's okay. Copy image, and then if it isn't transparent, we could just go back to remove.bg and upload it. And now we could just copy this and then paste it over here. Let's turn it around. Done. So now what we could do, so now if you want text, So if you want text, you just click this one. Wait, nope, never mind. Yeah, you just click that, and now this has came. And now you could just write best car deals. As you can see right now, you can't really see this and how small it is, and it's black. So we could just make the size higher, like 50. And now we could just click effect. This EFF means effect. So when we click that, let's say we want a color overlay, and then we could just make it red, any color you want. I'll be making it yellow for the video today. So then we click OK, and if you want a Grandite overlay, we just click this. But for this video, I won't be making like a Grandite. So then we could just click texture. If you want any of these textures on your text, you could just make it like that, and I'll be making one. Okay, let's just wait for this to load. And let's say we want this one, and then okay, then we could make an outer glow. Let's say we want it like this. Oh, let's say green. Yeah, okay. And then I'll be making putting a drop shadow. Yeah, opacity. Let's say okay. So now let's just make this a little bit bigger because it's way too small. Let's make it 90. No, that's bad. 100. Okay, that's good. So you could have it like this, or so you could have it like this or different. And I'll be showing you how to make it different. So we're just gonna Control C this, and then never mind. Then we could just copy this and then exit this out and make it each text a separate group. So once we did that, we could just get this and make it a bigger size. 300? No, never mind. Not 300. 200. Best. Okay, once we've done that, we could just get text. And now let's see what we should do. And now we just put this back in and get car. And then let's just make this about 150. And then we just make effects, color, and then let's make this blue. No, let's say, no, not black, red. Okay, and then we could just put a stroke to it. Never mind, that's not a good stroke. Let's just put outer glow. Okay, no. Oops. Okay, let this to load. Never mind, let's not do that one. Let's do inner glow. Let's do this. As you can see a little bit now. Now let's just make it. Let's just put a little bit some texture on this too. So let's say if we want, this one will be good. And if we want a drop shadow, we could just make the distance a little bit higher. Okay, let's see. As you can see over here, look over here, and now look at this. This is where you want the shadow. And then you could change the color of the shadow to like, this is not changing the color of the shadow. Just make it black. Okay. No. Okay, distance, size. Let's not touch with size right now. And now let's just go to pattern. Yeah, this is the same thing as the pattern. So then when we're done with that, we just click OK. And then we go back to text and then make another text box and just put deals. Now we just change the effect for deals and color overlay. Just make it stroke. Okay, texture. Let's just make it white. Okay, and let's make this, no, that's way too much. Just make it about 4. So now we could just make it blend or anything, but today I won't be doing that. So outer glow, green. Oh wait, what? Oh, size. So we could make the size higher for the outer glow, and we could make the spread more. See, as you can see over there, when you look at my screen and my mouse, there's a difference behind the, no, between the spread and size. So then we could just make, let's just say we're done with over here. Okay, so now let's just do a little bit moving around and stuff like that. Okay. Let's try to make it a little bit bigger. So if you want to click on different ones, you just go over here and click them. So I'm going to change this a little bit. So the shadow isn't looking that good. So I'm going to go back to effect and go to drop shadow, and we're just going to click on it this again. And now as you can see, it's gone. And then, oops, I didn't click OK. Drop shadow, click on it, then OK. Now let's do it to the deals too. Shadow, OK. Now as you can see, it's different, and it looks a lot better than the first time we did it. Best car deals. And now let's say if we want to put more texture and stuff, we're just gonna put a money bag. If you don't want to put it over here, okay, you just search up money bag PNG. So once you did that, you try to find some of them that have this texture behind it. Some of them might not be transparent, so you have to look and see if it is. Let's see if this one's transparent. Nope. See, as you can see, it's not transparent. So we just exit this out, and we could just put it over here. But let's just say if we want one from over here. So I'm gonna get this, copy image, Control V. So this one's not right either. So we're just gonna go back here, copy image, Control V. Let's just do it from over here. Just gonna copy this, and then Control V, and boom. Wait, let's just move that over here. And another cool feature is the opacity. You could make the opacity a little, so it's like it gets like invisible. As you can see now, it's like you could see through it. And now when you make it like, let's say 30. Oh, that's 300. So let's just make it 70. Oops. 70. No, that you could clearly see that. So let's just make it 50. Nah, 40. Yeah, 40 is good. So another cool feature is that you could make this go behind stuff. So if we just, right now, it goes in front of the car, but you could get this and move it all the way back here. No, except in front of the background. So it doesn't go behind the background, and now it goes behind the car. So we could just Control C that and Control V it, and just do that again. Well, if you don't want to do that, we could just duplicate the layer, and I'll be doing that to this one right now. Where is that? Right here. We just click right click it, and then we click duplicate layer, and now the layer is duplicated, and we can just put it right here. Now that looks good. And once we've done that, if we want, let's say if we want our text to have like a different let's make it like fisheye. So we get the text, say the best, and then we click wrap. As you can see, it's right here. When we click wrap, we click style. We could make it fisheye, which is gonna be like that. Squeeze, which is gonna be like that. Or we could just make it, well, I'll make it this. And let's change this ones too, because they all look a little bit plain. So once we've done that, let's make this the same. You could make it different though. No, that's way too like long and stuff. So let's just make it twist. Let's see that. No. Let's leave the rest as they are. So, and now let's say if we want okay, let's say if we want like cash, let's put some more money PNG. No, never mind. Let's just put an emoji with let's just put this emoji. Wait, let me find it. This one. I'll just copy this image and see if it is. Yes, see, like this one is transparent, and now we could just put it like over here, and then we could just get text and write something like, let's just say best trick. No, never mind, that's not right. Best trick. Let's say %100% awesome. And now let's just make its size a little bit low. See, no, that's way too small. So let's just make it 60. No, 100 is okay. Okay, now let's just make it longer so it could fit in one line, and then we just move it over here. And then let's just color it different. Color overlay. Let's make it like, let's just make it like, yeah, this is okay. Okay, and let's make, no, we don't want that. stroke. Let's make it. So I'm clicking the down area for this that's going down right now. So you might not be seeing my mouse move, and then just click OK. And now you can see your thumbnail is done. If you want to add more detail to it, you can if you want, but this is just example. So then you could just like screenshot it and then like copy it. So this is how you get a free thumbnail, and you don't even need Photoshop or anything like that. So please subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. It will be how to make a thumbnail on Gravity Designer and more effect and stuff. And make sure to subscribe and click that like button, and don't forget to click that bell. Bye.